Hi John. Thanks for coming into the diabetes clinic. I'm going to go through using an insulin pen with you today.
Great. I don't know anything about using insulin pens. I was only diagnosed with type 1 diabetes 2 weeks ago. There's a lot of information to take in.
It's very overwhelming at first. There is a lot of information to take in. That's what I'm here for. Diabetes nurses can give you support and are always available if you have questions.
That's good to know. I'm a bit confused about using an insulin pen. I thought I had to give myself an injection. To be honest, I don't know if I can do it. I really don't like having needles at all.
It's okay to feel a bit unsure at first. Some people continue to use a syringe and a bottle of insulin, but insulin pens are more convenient. You'll still have to use a needle with the insulin pen, but it's so fine you'll hardly notice it.
So what do I have to know about using the insulin pen?
There are two types of insulin pens. One type uses a single-use cartridge that you throw away when it's empty. The other type is reusable. You replace the insulin cartridge when the old one is empty.
I think I prefer the reusable pen to the disposable pen. It seems a better option.
Okay. I'll go over the procedure with you now. Before you start, wash your hands and dry them well. Make sure the area you'll inject into is clean as well.
Do I have to use an alcohol wipe to clean the skin?
No. Just soap and water, if you can see the skin's dirty.
Okay.
Next you're going to prime the pen. That's to get out any air before you inject yourself. Put a needle on the end of the pen and hold the pen upright. Dial up 2 units of insulin. You'll see the number 2 in the window. Then press the plunger until you see drops of insulin coming out of the needle.
Okay. I put on a needle, hold the pen straight up and press the plunger until the insulin drops come out. Is that right?
Almost correct. Don't forget to dial up 2 units of insulin before you press the plunger.
Oh yes. I forgot about that. What do I do now?
The next step is to dial up the dose of insulin your doctor prescribed.
Okay.
Inject into clean skin on your stomach or outer thigh, at a 90-degree angle.
Okay. I think I can do that.
Count to 10, to make sure the insulin has been injected. After you take out the needle, remove it from the top of the pen and put it in a sharp spin.
Okay. I feel a bit more confident now, but I'd like to practice with you before I do it on my own, if that's okay.
Sure, we can do that now, if you like.